Good morning, everybody. So I hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to try something different, something I've never had either. My wife picked up these Ube Mochi pancakes from Trader Joe's. Here, I'll bring it up in case anybody. They're supposed to be these chewy, delicious pancakes. We haven't tried them yet. I'm going to take you through the steps. I haven't even read the directions or anything, but I make breakfast every morning for my son before school, and we're going to test these out today. So I'll take a look, I'll read through, show you guys how it comes out, see what his reaction is when he tries them. All right, the instructions look pretty easy. It calls for an egg, a third a cup of water, which I got right here, 3/4 cups of the mix, and then some butter, which is to cook it in. So I'll crack the egg first. As Uncle Roger always says, I grabbed a separate one just in case the shell falls in. I'm actually going to put the egg and the water in here and risk it first. Not that it tells me to do that, but I want to make that one consistency. And I'm going to use this to dry it out so that if I use that again for the 3/4 cups, it doesn't stick too bad, so that I get the right amount. All right, so let's give this a quick whisk. I think this is a not necessary step. I just did it because this way you get one thing going throughout the mix instead of like a little bit of egg here, a little bit of water there. That's just my own thing. Again, I don't think it's telling you to do that. And then it's got this really easy, excuse me, it has this really simple, what's it called, thing on the back that tells you based on how much you want to make. Let me grab some scissors. As to how much of the mix you want to use. It's just my son eating today, so I did the smallest amount. So again, 1/3 cup water, 3/4 cup mix, and then 1 egg. So we'll get this to 3/4 cups. I'm interested to see if he likes it. I know Ube and Mochi are so popular right now. All right. Hopefully my science class comes in. I measure properly. So I'm going to pour this in. I'll move the egg and the water over. Yes, I know I could have put it on top. But again, my OCD, if I have it, I didn't want to put it on top. I wanted the egg and stuff on top of it. And then we'll give that a good whisking. And then I'll turn the flame on and get the pan ready. See how the consistency looks. I'll walk this over the camera so you guys can see how it comes out before making the pancakes. I'm guessing it's what it should look like, although, like everybody else, we've never made them before. I'm guessing it'll get, 3 or 4 pancakes for them. And then I've got a little bit of syrup, because sometimes I make them French toast. I have an old video where I made some French toast on. All right, give it a good stirring. I love using whisks and forks and stuff because they get through so much better than other things when you mix. I'll put a link in Amazon for the ones we use for the whisks and some of the other stuff too. It's a combination of things that we have and things that we would like to have. Okay, so that's it for that. I'll bring this up over to the camera. You'll see me walk out of the screen for a second to show you guys the consistency and what it looks like. All right, there you go. So it's like this thick, goopy, almost like Elmer's glue type of thickness. I'm going to hit pause and we'll continue. Well, I think I've given the pan enough time to heat up properly. I guess we'll see when I add the butter. Grabbing a spoon, grabbing the mix. Let me see if it gives a recommendation of how much to use per pancake as well. Use approximately 1/4 cup batter for each 4-inch pancake and cook about 2 minutes or until bubbles and starts foaming the edges and turning brown. Okay, easy enough. We'll see how it goes. Now, I'm sure it calls for less butter than I use, but like garlic, butter and garlic are two of the things I like a lot. Oh, see. Yeah, that looks like probably how it should. I'm guessing that's how the butter should be going. I'll turn it down a tiny bit just so I don't get it too hot. All right, and if it's calling for 1/4 cup, and we did 3/4 plus the eggs and stuff, that's probably about a third to or a quarter of the bowl. And the other thing I might do, I cut up some bananas. My mom used to put bananas in my pancakes, or every now and then she used to put chocolate chips too. Sometimes I think I like that more than the pancakes, to be honest. I loved the chocolate chip ones that when she would do them. All right. Oh. And we'll give that a couple minutes. Hopefully it bubbles or starts to turn brown. Grab a spatula and hopefully it's not a big flub. All right, I think we should be done on this one. I'll put this on the plate. Oh yeah, it looks great. We'll add a little bit of butter. We'll put number 2 right on top of that. Maybe I made them a little big. I'm only going to probably get 2 of them here, possibly one more. But we'll do that afterwards. I'm going to do a few more pieces of banana. I don't know if he'll like that or not. I always did. We'll go boop, boop. We'll make a little face. Little purple face. I need a couple things for some eyebrows, maybe a mouth. Be cool to get a couple ears here. Have to be at the right angle to see it though. Now I see the face. All right, now I'm guessing the party really likes a little bit of butter on there. We'll add, ooh, here comes the syrup. All right, let's go see what it looks like when he tries it and if he likes it.
Hello, I'm gonna try my dad's ube pancakes. Never had an ube pancake, though. Keep swallowing off. I like it because it's sweet.